ready to catch the next Memecoin rocket ship before it blasts off. This is BloomBot, your secret weapon for strategically sniping Memecoins. First, download BloomBot from the official website, link in the description. Installation is quick and straightforward. Next, securely connect your wallet by entering your wallet address and private key into the bot. Remember, only use BloomBot on secure networks. Now, configure your Snipe settings. Crucially, set your gas price appropriately to ensure your transaction is prioritized, but not excessively high. Choose slippage based on the token's liquidity. Higher slippage may be needed for volatile new coins. Set your buy amount carefully. Spotting the right opportunity is key. Look for newly listed coins on decentralized exchanges that show early signs of community interest, but be wary of rug pulls. Once you've identified a promising coin, input its contract address into BloomBot. The bot will monitor the token and execute your buy order the moment liquidity is added to the pool. BloomBot tracks your profits and transaction history, providing valuable data for future strategies. Remember, Memecoin trading is risky. Use BloomBot responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now you are ready to snipe.